اس اکرم یوسف مصطفى خلکی کردستان و عراق ما دبر و برزان پیشی 3 سال و 2 مانگا راستی از ویدات زور قلق بوم چونکه زور دکتر جامعه را گوته من تأکید به عملیات تصلیح کردن صمام نجاحت ناینه هیچ رنگه که جا من مشکلات لها بو وقت پیدا بوی من برا ترکیا من عملیات کرد پیشی 3 ساله من عملی کرد پشتینگی صمام دلوه بنا اصلا چکن پاشی زور علاج و دکتور و پاشی من خزمه که ما کیجا خول نک دکتور تاگر عملیات کرد بو.
Baby Raha came to us with severe respiratory distress, inability to feed, and a very, very cranky and unhappy child. On evaluation, she was found to have a severe leakage between the valve which separates the upper from the lower part of the heart, namely the tricuspid and the mitral valve. What this does is that it raises the lung pressures, which makes it difficult for the child to breathe, and it also impacts the functionality of the heart. So she also had dysfunction of the main pumping chambers of the heart.
بس پشتی گل دکتر تاگر رو نشته خوره هفته ایکوه گوته انشالله از دشم به صمام تصلیح کم.
Now, tackling valves is very, very challenging in children for multiple reasons. The main reasons being that such small prostheses are not exist. And also, if you are able to change the valve with the prosthesis, the potential for growth does not exist. As children grow, the valve should also be growing. It does not happen if you are changing it with an artificial valve. And for her, it was very, very challenging because we had to undertake a repair for a second time. Both the tricuspid and the mitral valves were repaired using specialized techniques. And I'm very happy to inform you that the leakage, which was severe to start off with, is now just trivial.
هزار جار شکر بخوده سپاس بو دکتر داگره.
The child did very well in the post-operative period and was extubated within the next 6 hours. She has since progressed to good health and is now in a state that she will be flying back to her parent country, a happy, playful child.
گوتجی انشالله پیوسته هیچ عملیات اکیدی آن گورینا صمام منو بیتابه الحمدلله هزار جار شکر بخوده راستی دست خوشی الواد کم خسته خانه کنمونه.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.